Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, he is. Like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. On this episode, we're just going to do a quick unboxing episode of my new present that I just got for my birthday. Present from myself to myself, because I always do that every year. So today is the day before my birthday, but when you're watching this now, it should be today, which is Wednesday. So yeah, I'm turning 28. So it's just another number that keeps getting higher and higher. But I don't feel 28, I feel like, I don't know, 23 or something. So, still feel young. If I have a shave, I look about 18. And, yeah, so, mainly because I'm so bloody short. A lot of people don't know, I'm actually like 5'3", 5'3.5" or something. I'm short as. Definitely vertically challenged. It has its positives and negatives. But yeah, apparently on the camera I look taller. So, there you go. But anyway, it's my birthday and I'm freaking pumped. So I went down to JDM Garage, which is just down the road, and picked up this freaking awesome present. And what do you think it is? Pause the video now and drop a comment of what you think that this is. Alright, let's unwrap it. First part is a dash for an R32 Skyline, which I have right here. And it even comes with a mounting bracket for something, a gauge or something rather. I was kind of hoping that it had these plastic bits still in it in good condition, because I broke those when I was taking my dash out on there. But this one is custom made, customly modified to fit that. Let's have a go at that one. Alright, you might have guessed it. It's a roll cage, and it's a beast of a roll cage. I'm about to assemble it all so you can see the final shape of it, but it's like very, very nice. It's even like been professionally wrapped in like this really nice spongy, rubbery foam that's like full legit. I was going to paint this, but this is like really nice. So I don't know if I want to take it off. It's got like a really good, what do you call it, paint job. A really nice looking silver paint underneath it. It's like a really nice silver paint on all the bars. So yeah, that's going to make it a tough one. Don't know if I'm going to leave this rubber on there or paint it. But anyway, I'm just going to assemble it now so you can see the full shape of it. It's freaking sick. I've seen a photo of it all together. And this was from JDM Garage, and they import a lot of gear from Japan. So I think that wrapping was even straight from Japan, straight out of the container. So basically, this is as JDM as you can get. Let's assemble it.
chance to make it, to make it. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know that you'll reject my love. Moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on.
Check it out. There's a 10-point harness. No, it's not. What the fuck? Check it out. It's a 10-point roll cage with the dash that's cut out to fit the cage. And it's got like rubber all the way around it. Like really nicely fitted. And at the back, it's even got the rear strap brace that goes to the cage. So that's going to be super strong. Like, it's even got the plastic bits that have got cutouts to fit in there as well. So it should be nice and easy to install. I really don't know what I'm going to do about painting it or not. Like, this rubber's so good. But how's my lighting set up? My next door neighbour, the mad dude, he hooked me up with these lights that I'm going to put in the new shed. And they're like next level. We've got a couple of those, it's going to light up the whole bloody backyard. Well, they work perfect. Already got one bug flying around there. I'm just going to go for a test drive and just make sure this cage holds up alright. Because you don't know until you've had a test drive, you know. She works real good. But yeah, super keen to get this roll cage in. Obviously it's a little bit ahead of schedule, so I've got to do a heap of things before that goes in. I've got to get the whole front end in, the whole rear end in, and then roll the whole car out into the abyss and spray the interior. I'm going to spray the interior black, and then, well, my plan was to spray the interior black and then make the roll cage stand out, because that was going to be candy red, like the Soul Red that's on the 180, and then it would just pop. But I'm thinking now that the roll cage has got this nice like rubber black over it, I might paint the interior candy red, and then it'll be like the reverse effect. So that would be cool. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do 100%, but that's the ideas that I'm weighing up with. So yeah, I'll roll the whole thing out and do the interior, and then also do the engine bay, and then I'll be installing the roll cage in, and then you can get seats and stuff in there after that. But yeah, super exciting stuff to have, like parts rocking up. I've got GK Tech parts on the way that should be here soon, which is going to be real cool. But yeah, massive shout out to JDM Garage. They're just in Nerang. If you guys don't know about them, make sure you check out their site. I'll put it in the link below. They sell heaps of aftermarket parts. There's a massive shipping container coming in soon, but they're gonna have heaps of stock. So be patient for that. They're gonna sort out everything, and that will be up on their website. They've got a really good website, so make sure if you're after any parts, just go on there and have a search, and then you'll be able to find them that way. Brad and Shimei, awesome people, really down to earth and just love cars like us. So yeah, if you need anything, any questions, just hit them up. And yeah, so this was just a short one to show you the new roll cage. The next episode is most likely going to be me playing around with installing the radiator, because I should probably get the priority straight and start working on the cars that need to be done first, and then the Skyline can get done when those cars are done after. But yeah, super exciting, accumulating parts, putting them in, and it's gonna start taking shape real soon. So thanks guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment on your choice of what I should do with the colors. I'm definitely doing a Soul Red and a black to offset it. I was going to paint the interior white, but I've seen a few people do white interiors, and yeah, they get dirty super quick. Like, they look sick, but yeah, I think I seen Colette's video the other night. Zara was watching it, and she sprayed it white, and then like, yeah, straight away it was all dirty. I don't want that. Soul Red's probably gonna get dirty as well, but not as dirty. Anyway, thanks heaps for watching. Drop a comment, hit the like button, and also subscribe.